Example, this is the guitar, this is the body of the, example, this is my body. Now, example, I have a feeling, like the different, like this. If this is the front, this is the back, this is the back, this is the front. Now, if your feeling is like this, the word the new baby born, the using of the guitar is the midwife. This, the new baby born. And then, back to the owner. This is the word of the reflection. This is the using of the reflection, not the nonsense. Any nonsense. The reflection. What is your favorite instrument? The word of reflection of the thing. This is the back, the body. Oh, this is my mark. The evidence of my original body. Oh. Because the not original who I am, no mark in the body. The original who I am have a mark. Of the left, my original body. And then, the back. And the top. When you are a baby, you pushing from the back, going to the forward, and then you are turned on to the left, and pushing again to going back. That is the calling. Now, from the father, pushing, going to the mother. From the mother, pushing, going to the father. But the difference, when you are going to your mother, you have no material living things. But if you are going back to your father, you have a material living things. They say, from the Philippines, going to the USA. From the USA, back to the Philippines, you have a material living things buying because you are from the abroad. Example, from the mother, from the father, going to the father, and back, up in this present. From the Philippines, going to the USA, and back again, in this present. The same from the Philippines, USA, back to the Philippines, from the father, going to the mother, back in this place. Universe. That is the process. Mother, father, mother, giving birth the child, Philippines, USA, giving birth the child. The thinking of the baby